Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to continue my tour of my apartment. Today, I'll be showing you my living area and my dining area. I still have some things to do, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you. And then when I get everything fixed the way I want it, I'll come back and do a full apartment tour. So you know Mrs Vee loves candles. I picked this candle. It's a Broad candle, vanilla macaroon, and it's a soy blend candle. I picked that up from not Hobby Lobby, Big Lots for $10. So yeah, this sofa, all this furniture came from Wayfair. I insert a picture of the actual sofa on the website on the screen. Yeah, so I'm sorry, it's still a little dark because if you've been here a while, I did mention that this is an older apartment, so I don't have any light fixtures, so I have to do lamps. So yeah, so I picked up this cute little TV stand with the fireplace insert, also from Wayfair, and I love this beautiful rug. Yes, so this is my living area. I think I'm gonna put two planters or two artificial plants on either side of the TV console, but this is what we have for now. This sofa is so comfortable. I have the ottoman on the right side, but you can swap it over to the left. I had it on the left at first, but since I'm right-handed, I went ahead and swapped it to the right side. This sofa was easy to put together. It's just like a snap and groove. It's very comfortable. This is my outside area, nothing much going on. Got some woods behind my apartment, so this is the back patio area, nothing going on out here. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that with the double slide doors. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you the dining area. So this is my beautiful table I picked up from Wayfair, but I have a problem. This is a bar style table, and I thought the stools were bar style, but they actually counter height. And as you can see, the stools are shorter than the table. So I can send the stools back, but I don't have all the hardware. So what I plan to do is let my husband take it to this place next to our home and get about 3 to 4 inches cut off the legs of the table. I think that's what I'm gonna do, but I'll give you an update at a later date. So yeah, so these are the stools. I really love them. They're very comfortable, and I love this table. So yeah, I'm gonna measure, but I think about 3 or 4 inches. Because when you sit down, well, when I sit down, the table is right at my chest, so about 3 more inches. So yeah, so I'll be putting a pretty portrait or something above the table. That's a little TV that I had. I was gonna use it for a desktop computer, but we're still trying to get it to come on. You know, Miss V don't like to give up on nothing. So yeah, so this is my living room and dining room area. As you can see, I'm into the grays, so I'm loving it thus far. So yeah. So thank you for joining. This is Miss V. I'm continue to show you love, and I'm always help you save on some of the things you need so you can get some of the things you want.